Hello. So think about this, right? As a DevSecOps, right? If you have several web servers, you need to install a security agent. You need to install a security agent in, maybe several web servers, right? Are you going to want to do that one by one, right? Like, you know, so this project basically is going to be on we want to automate the installation of security agents. It's going to be a simulated one, a simulated security agent. We want to automate that the installation of that in two web servers. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use different Amazon service. So number one, we are going to create EC2 instances, but we are going to automate that process using Terraform, right? Terraform is an infrastructure as a code tool that you can use. So we are going to use Terraform to create the EC2 instances. And then we are also going to use Amazon System Manager. So it's basically used to manage your infrastructure, right? So we are going to be using System Manager to, one thing about System Manager is that imagine you need to patch your operating systems, right? Your operating system for a lot of virtual machines. So System Manager is a tool that can help you to kind of do that. So we are going to be using Amazon System Manager, right? So with the run command. So the run command in System Manager will be used to install the security agent. So we're going to use that. Also, we are going to use the SNS, Amazon Simple Notification Service, right? So as we are provisioning our infrastructure, especially as we are running, um, installing basically the security agent, right? We want to get notification, right, in our email, right, such that you don't have to sit down there and be looking at the console. We want to get notification, right, on our email on how everything is going, So we're going to be doing that. It's going to be an amazing project. It's going to be an amazing one. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing we need to do is I'm going to use Cloud Shell. I'm going to install Terraform. So let me see. So let me click on Cloud Shell and I'll use these commands. So first of all, we install the utilities. So let me clear. Then we'll install the utilities. Nothing to do. Okay, it has been installed. Then the command. Okay, so it's adding the repo. Then to install Terraform itself now. So basically, I just want to use Terraform um to I want to use Terraform to, instead of creating the virtual machine one by one, right? So nothing to do, that's been installed, right? So let me see, Terraform V. Okay. Okay, I wrote Terraform. Terraform to check the version. Terraform. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is to upload the the file, right? The file, want to run use Terraform to run a script, right? So now the file, let me just go to, so this is the file, this is the main.tf file, right? This is the Terraform file. So basically this file, we have to So you have the data, right? And then you have the resource. So you have the resource. So the data will be, in this case, I have to put in my VPC ID, right? I have to put in the subnet ID. So I'm going to be using the default VPC and the default subnet. So I'll go to my AWS console and get those information. Then I need to have a key, so you can just change this name, the name of this key, something to whatever key you have, right? So so I think I already created this SSH key one, but we'll check. And then security group, all this, we don't need to change anything there. So these are the web servers, right? This is the web server one, and these are all the information, right? When you want to create an EC2 instance, right? You have to put the name of the EC2 instance. You have to choose the instance type, right? And all those stuff. So the same thing for the web server too, right? So that's it. Then for the provider.tf file, this is just the you put in the region in which you want the EC2 instance to be provisioned. And then in this case now we don't need the access key and the secret key. We don't need that. So that is commented out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this main.tf file and provider.tf file to my Cloud Shell. So let me clear. So I'm going to upload. I'll come here, action. So those file actually this file I already store them on my local computer. So I'm going to upload them. So action, upload file. Then I have them. Let me upload this one first. Uploading file, yeah, and then I'll go upload the next one, which is the provider.tf file. Okay. Set too many requests. Okay, let me see. ls dot. So this is the main.tf file. So let me upload the other one. Okay, so the provider.tf file has been uploaded successfully. So let me just check. Okay, so both of them are there now. Right, both of them are there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to run some before that, we need to check, yeah, for this main.tf, we need to, this SSH key must be created. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to check, so I'll come to EC2 instance. Let me use this. So I'll come to keep here, and then check. Okay, yeah, so this is there. So if it's not there, I can just create a new one, right? I can just come here and create a keep here. So, but it's there. So I'll just come to, so the next thing I need to do now is I will run the terraform command to create the EC2 instances, right? And also the, um, I think it's going to create a security group as well. So, but let's see. Come back here. Let me clear this. So for run terraform init. So it will initialize. Okay. Okay, it has been initialized. Then terraform plan. So just tell us what terraform is going to do. So terraform plan will tell us what terraform is going to do. So basically, this is what terraform wants to do. You see all the plus. So web server 1 will be created, and web server 2 will be created. Then also security group will be created. So that's 3 plans. You see the plans 3. It's going to add three resources. So let's clear. Then let's do terraform apply. So this might take a while. So it's going to create the resources. So yeah, so let me just choose, click, press yes. I want you to go ahead and create it. So it's creating now. It's creating that. Okay, so Terraform has created the 3 resource, and we can go to our console to check. So let me come to EC2 instances. So these ones, I terminated these ones. So these are the ones that Terraform just created now. These are the ones Terraform just created. See that's running. Yeah. Okay. So now let me, the next thing we have to do is we need to, we are going to use the AWS System Manager to install the security agent. So on-premise, when you want to deploy a virtual machine, for a company, you need to get, a security agent from a security company like maybe Sonatech, you know. So that will be installed in the institute to protect your server from being maybe corrupted or attacked or virus. So, and in this case, we are just going to use AWS System Manager, right? To actually help us to install our security agents automatically to both web servers, to both EC2 instances. So to do that, the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to create an IAM role, right? So we are going to create an IAM role. So this IAM role is going to authorize AWS System Manager to use the simple notification service, right, for to send notification via email. So we are going to go to IAM and we are going to go to IAM and then I'll come to role. I'll come to role and I'm going to create a role. Create a role. So these AWS services, I'll come here. I'll just search for system manager. So we need to authorize that, right? So that's one of the importance of role, to authorize one service to be able to system manager. Okay. So I'm going to choose a use case to allow a system manager to call AWS service on my behalf. So I'm going to click on next. And okay. So the policy will be SNS full SNS Amazon SNS full access. So I want to add this policy so that to authorize system manager to use SNS, right? So I'll click on next. And then for the role name, I'll just put So just something, authorize system manager to use SNS. So that's the role name. And let's see. So just create role. So that role has been created. So the next thing we want to do is that on SNS, simple notification service will create a topic and a subscription to receive notification from system manager. So I'll come on, I'll come on SNS, simple notification service. Then I'll create a topic. I'll create a topic and create topic. So I'll choose standard. And then I'll put the name DevOps notification. So this is the topic that we use to notify the DevOps team over an email. So just put that and then just click on create topic. And I have to copy this ARN, so I have to copy this because I will need that later. So I'll copy that and I'll put that, copy it somewhere. Okay. Then now I'll come and create subscription. So create a subscription. So for my subscription, the protocol is going to be email because I want to receive an email. I'll put my email there as the endpoint and that's it. Create subscription. Okay, so look at the status here is pending confirmation. So I need to go to my Gmail, right, to confirm, to confirm. So I need to come to my Gmail. So this is my Gmail. So I just got the notification now. Click on that, and then I have to confirm. I have to confirm the subscription. So confirm. So it says subscription not confirmed. Okay, let me go back. Let me confirm because of an error. Okay. So let me reload. Hmm. Okay, this is it. This is 0 minutes. It was this one I clicked. So let me click on this one, confirm. Subscription confirmed. You have successfully subscribed. So now let me get back to my um let me get back to my reload. So now you see the status. The status is confirmed. Yeah. So that's it. So we've been able to create the SNS, right? Simple notification service to be able to get notification, right? So that way you don't have to just keep watching your console, right? You don't have to keep watching your console. You can just go do some other things while you are provisioning, you are installing the security agent, right? So and once everything is done, or if there's anything, it will send you a notification in your email. So yeah, so we've done that. So the next thing we need to do is to configure the run command for the system manager, right? The run command for the system manager. So what we are going to do now is we're going to go to the system manager, right? Come to system manager and then click on this. And let me close this. So I'll come to quick setup, and I will choose host management. I'll choose this, create. So let me see. So I'll choose for the target, I'll choose current account, current account, current region. Choose how you want to target instance manual. So I'm going to select, so these ones are terminated. So I'm just going to select these ones. Yeah, these ones. And let me see. What else? What else? Else? I think that's it. Then I'm going to click on create. Okay. So click on create. So this process can take a few minutes because the system manager will need to initiate the configuration process for your host, so that we can use the, run command and use the run command to install the security agent. So it's running. So it's just going to take some time. So just going to pause the video. So as can be seen, the host manager, quick setup has been successfully created, configuration, deployment status, um, yeah. So let me click on this one. See the one that is pending. Okay, so I think this one is configuration progress updates every 30 seconds. Okay, so let's see the success. Deployment status success. Pending. Okay, so the next thing we just want to do now is is want to execute the run command to deploy the security agent installation. So I'm just going to come to where is it? Node, yeah. So under quick, yeah. So node management. Oh, where is it? Mm, okay. Come to node 2, then I'll come to run command. Okay. Okay, before I do this, let me go back to quick setup and oh, mhm, mhm, setup. I need to start a session. Where is it? Okay. Okay, let me come to session manager. Sorry, session manager. And then it's not coming up. There is no active session at the moment. Click start session to connect. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that since I'm not seeing this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go back to um, my EC2 instance. I'm going to come to my EC2 instance, and then I'm going to reboot the two instances. I'm going to reboot them. because I need to see the reboot. So once I reboot, then the instance, right, they should show up. They should show up here. So yeah, so this might take a while, but okay, let's check if we can see the instance. Can't find them. Is it terminated? Hmm. Oh, so I just had to click on start session to connect to an instance. Okay, yeah. So I was just wondering. Yeah, so and then I can, click on maybe web server one, the version of SSM agent on the instance supports session manager, but the instance is not configured for use with AWS. Verify the IAM profile attached to the instance. Require permission. Okay, let me see. Let me check the other one. Okay, for the other one, so why did you bring that? Anyways, yeah, it's just funny. When I click on that again, it's not bringing it. So, okay. So, so now what we need to do is, I'm going to click on start session. Start session. Okay, let me just type to check the file system. The page. Okay, so let me get back to this now. So let me get back to this. So I'm going to come to run command. So click on run command. Then I'm going to choose going to choose command documents. Select the type of command that you want to run, shell. So I'm going to choose, it should be run shell. So AWS run shell script. Choose this one. Okay, then next next I'll put in the the security agent now. So I'll put that in. So before this now, right, if I on this session, so just to see on this session, if I put this, it's gonna bring out, it says cannot access this, right? No such file or directory. So, but once after we install the security agent, if I run that line again, it's going to show that the security agent is actually there. So let me copy these lines of command to install the security agent, and then come down. So I'll choose instance manually and select all the instances. Then I'll come down enable an S3 bucket? No. So I don't want to write all the command output to S3 buckets. Alarm name. SNS notification, yes. Want to get notification. Then the IAM role, I'll choose the role that I created, right? The authorize system manager to use SNS. So I'll choose this role. And for the SNS topic, I'm going to put the ARN number that I copied. So I'm going to copy that when I created the topic, the SNS topic. So the ARN number, I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to put it here. And for the event notification here, I want him to notify me for all events, not only for field events. So one can configure it that it's only when something did not work, right? That's when you get notification. Or you can put it for all events. Since we are having just only 2 web servers, only 2 EC2 instances, all events is okay. But if imagine you have like 100 instances, you get like you're getting like maybe all kinds of notifications. So for this one, I can just put all events. And then I'm going to choose say choose notification, choose when you would like to receive notification. So I'm going to choose this command status on each instance change. So on each instance change, give me a notification. And so I'll just check if everything, just confirm everything again for this. I'm going to leave it that way. Confirm. Let's check everything. Choose manually as the security agent. Okay. So now I'm going to run it. In progress. And what we can do is that it's going to be sending notification to our email, right? So we can check our email address. So I'm going to check my email address. So let me see. It's in progress. And okay. So this is my email address. So see that just easy to run command. So you see 0 minutes, right? So give the instance ID, the date, and the status. So the detail status in progress. That's for one of the instance. This is for the other instance. So this is the instance ID. This is the other instance ID. So both of them, they're in progress. Okay, now, so we give another one. This is the instance. So this is the instance ID. And then the detail status now is success. And then for this one also is success. So we can go back now. Can go back and I'm just going to reload. Just going to reload and yep. Yeah, success. So the security agents, the simulated security agents have been installed. So let me just click on this first one. So let's check the output. So see downloading security agent installation in progress, security agent installation completed, and that's it. So yeah, So that's just it. So yeah, so that's just you see, and then let me check for the second one. Check for the second one. Um, run command. Okay, the second one. See that. So the same thing. So it automatically just um, you know, install the security agent in both web servers. And that's amazing. That's amazing. And also we can see how we got notification using the simple notification service. So so that's it. That's it. This is a dev, a DevSecOps project development, security and operations. Yeah, thank you.